U Presiden Kaseng BJP ka Jala Meghalaya uba Earnest Mawrie. Ula penpau halor ka jingtemu ka BJP ban Weng no na ka Sorkar MDA. Haba penpau hakilat patai khubor ula ong baya kini ka benta lasanya ha ki Nongialam jong kani Kaseng. Ulaya tu ba ulaya kendu ya ki Nongialam Kaseng bat ulaya mirjing mut lang. Halor ki babun kimat khamtam na ka benta kani ki election ban penklan ya Kaseng ban itu ya ki jaka ban penyang laki kertong. Ulayai ban bana kaliang jong ki Nongialam Kaseng kinsa syong perkhat na kabenta ban Weng no na kani ka Sorkar. Hakwai pat kaliang udukot barem ka TMC uba HM syang peliang ubadang sudah penyaso sya Kaseng BJP hanong ba Delhi. Ula penpaw hakilat patai khubor ba ula penyaso sya ka BJP na kabenta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ki briu jong ka jela. Ula ong ba udan ka jingtemu ban chna penbha ya ki surok ki jingkieng ban penyo ya ki surok ha ki jaka hanong kendong bat banyo i ya ki jingdon ki surok ki babiang ha ki sansnem ki banwan.
So we are waiting for the record. We are making the strategy how to fight election, how to strengthen the party, and how to identify the seat, more seat, when there will be seat. We have discussed all those things.
There is a lot that we should be doing for the state. The roads and communication that we want to bring. We want to bring bigger roads. We want to build bridges. We want to give roads to the rural areas. The PMGSY right now is also not extended to most of the rural areas. We would like to see an extensive development of rural roads in the next 5 years.
Usimbut Menteri Rang Ba ka Jelau